So your pizza looks cooked on the outside, but the inner part is not. In order to find the solution, first of all, we need to understand why the issue occurs. The reason is that the heat didn't reach the core of the pizza because it spent too little time in the oven. Therefore, we have a solution, apparently. We could bake for longer. But of course, that extra time could lead to overcooking the external part. Now it feels like you have to choose the lesser evil, while the reality is that you had to choose between two solutions. First one, decrease the temperature of your oven. This will allow your pizza to stay inside for longer without burning. Just because you own a brand new purpose-built pizza oven that you can pump to 450 degrees doesn't mean that you have to. It means that you can actually do it. But always keep in mind that the more you increase the baking temperature, the more you had to decrease the hydration of your dough. Just like pizza napoletana, which can go as low as 55%. This leads to the second possible solution, that is, reduce the amount of water in your dough. So by the time the inner part is fully cooked, the cornicione will be baked just right. If this makes sense to you, please subscribe to the channel.